Before you start your dropshipping journey with Printify, there are some key things you need to know. While Printify offers some solid advantages, it's important to weigh them against the competition to make sure it's the right fit for you. First, Printify provides a large catalog of customizable products, including apparel, accessories, and home goods. You have plenty of options to offer your customers, but compared to some competitors, the variety can feel a bit overwhelming. It's easy to get lost in all the choices without a clear plan. Next, Printify partners with a network of print providers across the globe. This means faster shipping options, but it also means you'll have to trust that your provider will meet quality standards. Unlike some platforms where everything is handled under one roof, Printify's third-party providers can sometimes result in inconsistent product quality and customer service. This might not be a big deal for some, but it's worth noting. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. Printify operates on a cost per product basis, which can make it a bit tricky to predict profit margins, especially if you're just starting out. While you can set your own retail prices, you'll need to account for the base cost and shipping fees, which are sometimes higher than competitors. The fourth thing you need to be aware of is the design tool. Printify's design tool is pretty user-friendly, but it's not as advanced as some competitors. If you're looking for highly customizable design features or complex artwork integration, you might find it limiting. That said, it's perfect for beginners who want to create simple designs with ease. Next, Printify offers integration with top e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. This makes it easy to connect your store and automate your fulfillment. However, this can also mean extra fees, depending on the platform and the level of integration you choose. So, it's essential to factor this into your budget. Another point to consider is the customer support. While Printify has decent support, it's not as robust as some other platforms. You might find yourself navigating through email responses or long wait times, which could lead to frustration during crucial times, like fulfilling orders or troubleshooting issues. One big advantage of Printify is its free plan, which allows you to try the platform without any upfront costs. But keep in mind that if you want access to premium products and features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're serious about growing, this may be something to keep in mind. The next thing is shipping and delivery times. Printify provides access to print providers in various locations, but depending on where your customers are, shipping can take longer than you'd like. Some competitors offer more streamlined and consistent shipping times, which could make them a better option if speed is a priority for you. The ninth thing to note is the product quality. As mentioned earlier, since Printify relies on third-party providers, the quality of the finished products can vary. If you're not vigilant about choosing the right provider, you might encounter issues with colors, sizing, or fabric feel that affect your brand's reputation. Next, Printify offers a mockup generator that's simple but effective. However, some users find it too basic compared to the more advanced mockup tools available from other platforms. If visual marketing is crucial for your brand, you may want to check out other solutions that offer better mockup quality. Another important thing to keep in mind is the ease of scaling your business with Printify. While it's relatively simple to start, scaling can be a bit tricky due to the reliance on external print providers. Unlike platforms that handle everything in-house, scaling with Printify requires more coordination between suppliers, which might slow down growth. And finally, while Printify can be a great option, it does require a lot of manual work in terms of selecting products, managing orders, and dealing with multiple suppliers. This could be a deal breaker if you want a more hands-off solution with full automation. Overall, Printify is a solid choice if you want a wide selection of products and a flexible approach to dropshipping. But if you're looking for something more streamlined with better customer service and faster scaling, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.